Keyboard shortcuts are an effective way to save time. In this video, I'll share with you 8 Windows key shortcuts that will help you get your tasks done faster and more efficiently. 1. Windows D. To show the desktop quickly, press the Windows D shortcut. This will minimize all open windows and display the desktop instantly. To bring back your open windows, press the same shortcut again, and they'll return just as they were. And to hide the open windows temporarily, press Windows comma. This will momentarily hide all windows. Once you release the Windows key, your windows will reappear again as they were. 3. Windows L. If you need to step away from your computer quickly and lock the screen to keep your data private, press Windows L. This shortcut will instantly lock your computer, preventing others from accessing your files or applications. 4. Windows S. To search for something quickly on your device, press Windows S to open the search bar. This allows you to search for apps, files, or even system settings without having to navigate through menus or open windows. 5. Windows I. To access system settings quickly, press Windows I. This shortcut opens the settings window directly, allowing you to make adjustments to your system without having to search through menus. 6. Windows X. To access system tools quickly, such as Device Manager or Task Manager, press Windows X. This opens the Quick Link menu, providing shortcuts to essential system tools and functions. 7. Windows V. The next shortcut is Windows V. It allows you to access your clipboard history. When you use this shortcut for the first time, clipboard history will be off. Press Turn On to enable it. And after that, you'll be able to copy and paste multiple items at once. 8. To add emojis or symbols quickly in any application, press Windows period to open the emoji panel. You can easily add any emoji to your messages, documents, or anywhere else you need them. If you found the video helpful, please support us.